RGB PC case fans improve airflow, cooling performance, and add customizable visual style to your build. My today's video is about top 5 best RGB PC case fans that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jonsbo RGB PC Case Fans. The Jonsbo ZB360 ARGB Infinity Mirror Case Fan delivers both stunning visuals and solid performance. Its four-sided infinity mirror design creates a deep, layered lighting effect that truly elevates any PC build. The all-in-one single frame with three 120mm fans simplifies installation, eliminating messy wiring while allowing unified speed and lighting control. With speeds ranging from 700 to 2400 revolutions per minute, it provides strong airflow with manageable noise levels for daily use or gaming. The ARGB lighting is vibrant, though users with low-end motherboards may need an additional ARGB controller to fully power all 68 plus LEDs. Compatibility with Asus Aura Sync adds flexibility for customization. Overall, the ZB360 is an excellent choice for users seeking premium aesthetics, easy installation, and reliable cooling performance in one sleek package. Now our second product is Corsair RGB PC Case Fans. The Corsair RS series fan is a smart blend of performance, simplicity, and clean aesthetics. Its daisy chain design reduces cable clutter, allowing multiple fans to be controlled through a single 4-pin PWM and 1+5V ARGB connector. With 8 bright LEDs per fan, lighting is vibrant and fully customizable via compatible motherboard ARGB software. Performance-wise, precise PWM control lets speeds reach up to 2100 revolutions per minute, delivering strong airflow of up to 72.8 CFM. Corsair's AirGuide technology uses anti-vortex vanes to focus airflow directly onto critical components, improving cooling efficiency. Thanks to its high static pressure rating of 2.8 mmH2O, the RS fan also excels on radiators and heatsinks, easily pushing air through dense fins. Overall, it's a reliable, well-engineered fan ideal for both airflow-focused and liquid-cooled PC builds. Our third product is Corsair RGB PC Case Fans. The Corsair RX series fan is built for users who want top-tier cooling with clean cable management. With PWM control through ICUE link, fan speeds reach up to 2100 revolutions per minute while delivering an impressive 74.2 CFM airflow. Its standout strength is the high 4.38 mmH2O static pressure, making it an excellent choice for high-density radiators and restrictive airflow setups. 8 vivid RGB LEDs produce sharp, customizable lighting, enhanced by a side window that keeps effects visible from multiple angles. The ICUE link bridge connectors allow fans to connect directly to each other, reducing clutter and simplifying installation with a single cable to the system hub. Combined with Corsair's AirGuide technology for focused airflow, the RX series offers powerful performance, striking visuals, and a streamlined build experience. Now number 4. Jungle Leopard RGB PC Case Fans. The Jungle Leopard Interstellar V2120 RGB case fan is a remarkable upgrade over its predecessor, combining improved aesthetics with high performance. Its soft, vibrant lighting and enhanced side infinity mirror design create a striking visual effect, while the upgraded nylon mesh cables add durability and reliability. The fan's bionic-inspired blades generate strong airflow up to 68 CFM, maintaining excellent cooling without increasing noise. Noise is further minimized with 8 damping pads, keeping operation stable and quiet at less than or equal to 29 dBA. Installation is simplified thanks to the daisy chain slide-in, pin-to-pin interlocking design. Only one cable is needed per fan cluster, reducing clutter and giving your chassis a cleaner, more organized look. Overall, the JMV2 excels in airflow, quiet operation, and visual appeal, making it an ideal choice for users seeking efficient cooling with stunning RGB effects and hassle-free installation. And our last choice is Thermalright RGB PC Case Fans. The ARGB Infinity Mirror PC Fan delivers a perfect blend of style, performance, and convenience. Its dual-sided infinity mirror frame with front ARGB light rings creates stunning, multi-layered RGB effects that glow beautifully with airflow. Installation is simplified with a daisy chain design. Only one cable per fan cluster is needed, reducing clutter and allowing flexible placement. High-quality SFDB bearings ensure minimal vibration and noise while providing reliable cooling and long-lasting durability. The 4-pin PWM connector enables automatic fan speed adjustment based on motherboard temperature, optimizing airflow and keeping components cool. With integrated power and serial ARGB connectors, it easily connects directly to compatible motherboards. This fan is highly versatile, suitable for PC cases, CPU air coolers, or liquid cooling setups. The package includes one connector, with extras available separately, making it a convenient, performance-oriented choice. Overall, it combines efficient cooling, quiet operation, and eye-catching lighting for any modern PC build. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.